Hello, guys and girls. This is Lekshman here. Welcome all of you to Global Coding Cohort. Hope all of you are doing very well. In this session, we are going to solve this particular problem statement. The problem is we have to add given time with a given interval and return the new time. So this is example I was when t is this 11:50, 11:59 9 seconds. Interval is 1 second. Then our new time is going to be 12 p.m. 11:59 seconds AM means we add 1 minute to it, 1 second to it, then it is going to be 12 PM, isn't it? So that is what our task is. This is our output. Got it? So before that, we have certain constraints over here to understand the format of input. This is what our format of is. That is denoted by HH, MM, and SS, all uppercase. Then AM or PM will be there. So hour, minute, and second are delimited with a colon in between and a space before AM or PM. Okay. Then for I, there will just be there will not be any AM or PM mentioned. It is gonna be an interval. That means 1 hour or 2 hour or 1 minute or 15 minutes or 59 seconds or 5 seconds, whatever. That's going to be mentioned in this particular format for I. Then the value of HH, that means both hours, can be between, sorry, not HH, okay, only for, will be between uh, 0 to 100. Minutes will be between, both minutes will be between 0 to 59, and seconds will also be between 0 to 59. One more point, 2.1, or else let me give that as a fixed point. Uh, HH 12. Okay. That means this time. This R will be between 1 to 12 because that is a 12-hour format. Whereas this is just an interval. That's why this R is going to be between 0 to 100. For this particular problem, it is 0 to 100. Okay, it can accept any number. For this particular problem, we are going to accept between 0 to 100. I hope the problem statement is clear for all of you. Now let's try to solve it. Around. So the input is in the form of string. So what we have to do at first is to separate these numbers, not just the numbers along with this AM or PM. That can be AM or power PM. In this case, we just have AM. So first of all, let's do OH, M, okay. Time. The actual time, I'm going to use these variables, uppercase H, M, and S. Then for uh, please wait for some time. I will get back soon. Sorry for the delay. Okay. I was searching for giving a meaningful variable for this AM or PM. Okay. Anti-meridian, post-meridian. Uh, for instance, we will assume, we will call it as M of it, PM, because in both anti-meridian or post-meridian will be there. So searching for that name for that. Cannot recall that particular name. That's why I was searching for that. For instance, let's consider it as M of it. M is going to be AM or PM. Now, dot dot split. Yes, try to observe the way how I'm trying to solve this problem. That is the reason why I'm coding during the line, so that you can see how I'm approaching the problem. Yes, this dot. The reason why I'm okay. When I just pass this list over here, the output of this is going to be like this. When I pass this list over here, it is going to get a 11. Someone is going to get 59. So now currently SS hold this particular 59 AM. So that is why dropping M in the second line. SS dot split of space. It is 59 space AM, isn't space. Then I want the first factor value. So I'm going to sorry, second one. Going to place. Okay, need not. I will overwrite SS and M here. I will overwrite SS, and the next one AM will be coming to will be assigned to the variable M. Now let's check. Previously SS had 59.am plus space AM. Now it just has 59. M holds AM. Then how to split in the similar ways. So those are H and S equal to the dot split of this one. Now H M and SS. But now all these values are in string, isn't it? That's why the code is there. Single code is there, right? That is string. For okay, for a verification purpose, I will use type of function. Will show you it is going to return ST. ST means it is the form string format. So we have to our next step is to click first, then okay, that is done over here. Okay, convert the integer. Doing all this in the same line, like this also you can do. Now if you check the variable, it is 11. Then I use now it is showing int. Previously it was str, isn't it? So now it is converted. For output numbers, we will just uh, use an underscore variable over here. Okay, after every variable, we will use an underscore to indicate that is an output, like this. Okay, not like this for AM or P. In some cases, we will have to convert AM to PM as in a result. Isn't it? So at that case, we will use M underscore as an output variable for holding AM or PM. So as a result, let's write some logic first to convert, check if necessary to convert AM to PM. Let's write the logic for that first. Radian logic for meridian. For that, we have to just like that we cannot do that. Let's okay. Let's do that later. First of all, let's okay, because to find meridian, we have to add this interval with time. Only then we can check if that output time is greater than 12 at any point. Okay, so if it is greater than 12, that means greater or equal to 12, then we have to change our meridian. So we have to first add that thing. That's right. First I thought like that, then that's why I'm pushing it down. Forward. So when we try to add interval and time, there are different tools. First, let's take seconds. The reason why I'm taking second is sometimes if it is 0 1, okay, first stage this is 0 1 reason. Okay, fine. While we add time, first we have to calculate seconds because that's going to reflect means, for example, if there is 2, obviously it is going to be minute in the next one. 59 plus 1 is 60, that means 1 minute. So it has to be added over here. So as we have to consider that, we are going to start from second, minute, and hour. Got it? Was the result is plus x. This is underscore is now 60. Yes. Okay, let's first add it. Later we will take an decision on that. Obviously, this is going to be between 0 to 59. Okay, take minutes over there. Minute plus waiting x plus x x. Yes. Now we have these are all the values that we can show you. Yes, 4, 4. So these are all the values that we have currently 60, 59, 7. So we are going to okay, now add it correcting. That means we will not say when it is 60 seconds, when it is 11, 15, 11 hour, 59 minutes and 60 seconds. We will not say that like that because we will say 12 o'clock. 11, 59, 60 seconds means it's 12 o'clock, isn't it? So that's why we are writing, going to correct the time. accordingly. So if SS is okay, in this case it is 60, but just assume that if in case if it is greater than 60, then we have to uh, write a logic that accepts that scenario as well, isn't it? So let's see greater than or equal to 60, because in this case we just have 60. Just think about a scenario where we have 2, and that means 61 will be there. We cannot just add 1 minute to m. We cannot move like that. We have to keep that remaining 1 second in the SS and just add 1 minute to mm underscore. So for that, as it is going to be between 0 to 59, obviously the maximum minute that is going to be added with mm is 1. So based on that, we will temp variable, we will create a temp variable to for that. Minus SS 4, sorry, SS underscore plus there can be 61 sometimes. While adding it, it can become more than 59. Okay, that means, for example, if I add 59 plus 59, then obviously it is going to be greater than 60, isn't it? So that's why I'm writing the logic is uh, if there is any remaining, then that number will be stored in 10. But for this particular test case 1, here in 10, we will get 0 over there. But we have to accept in other scenarios zone. That's why we are writing a logic in such a way that it works for this as well as for other scenarios. Now we will keep SS equal to 10, then nm we are going to add 1 to it. Same is the case with nm. It is also going to be between 0 to 59. It is greater or equal than 10 equal to nm underscore. The same logic is applied, which we use for seconds. Nm plus equal, sorry, uh, okay, mm underscore equal to the remaining minutes, uh, that is m. So not in this case, we will add 1 to our hour. That means 60 minutes. We will not say any minute or 60 minutes. That means we will take that as an 1 hour. So we will add 1 hour to hh underscore variable. Then now comes the hh part. Uh, if hh is greater than we have to we have to mention return output only in kernel part. Time, time, tell us format. Let's say yes, space, action. Uh, have to try with different inputs. Have to come to a solution. For this instance, it is 5 days and time. So it is now 12. In some cases, it's 12 hour to it. It is going to be 24. Therefore, we have to first handle that. Okay. Is greater than 24. Then our text is going to be something. Hours can be between 0 to 100, isn't it? So there can come where we can get any number of hours. It's, for instance, let's take 99 hours. What's okay? Okay, we'll finish it that way. So 1 hour. In this case, we have to find the actual correct time. Okay, to compute, let's convert this hour to 24-hour format for easiness. Convert this time to 24-hour format. That as you can think. Just to show you how I'm solving this problem, I'm using this way. But ultimate, in the competition, your goal should be to write efficient code. Okay. Just for instance, I cannot take more time for solving this. That's why I'm taking these steps. Obviously, if the length of the video is more, then those people who watch this later will feel it difficult to watch the full video. Isn't that trying to cut short the length of the video? Okay. If M, there is where our meridian is recognized. If AM or if PM, then we will add 12 hours to our actual text. Okay. So in this case, uh, where is the error? Okay. We have this time. After that, obviously, at this stage, R is going to be same as it is AM. We will know the change only if it is PM. Okay. At this point of time, we will get to know it is getting reached. So it is AM. Sorry. Just to show you, I repeat the question. It's no, just for this display. Then is more than this 24 hours. First, we have to take the remaining time. That means 24 each day. The time is going to 12. Just assume that if it is 6 o'clock today morning, I mean 6 a.m., I add 24 to it, obviously it is going to be next day 6 a.m. So the same time is going to be same. That is what the second test case is trying to tell us. Okay, so we need not calculate that. We can just we can just commit those things. So H uh, divide 24. And this going to hold this. So I do not need how many days. I just need the remaining hours even. I'm going to do mod operation over there so that I will get. So what I'm trying to do is something like this. If, 20, 24, let's take 25 hours. 25 hours. Then if I divide by 24, then I will just get how many hours are remaining. So how many days totally? 1.04 days. But I want how many hours remaining. So I'm going to put 25 more 24. So 1 hour is the remaining hour. So my HH is 10. So what's the input? So 9. Let's change that to 24 hours. Okay. Just for this, so it is 12 hours. But this will not work. We have to, for this input only, it is working. Okay. We have to, if it is PM, then we have, right now itself, we have to change AM, PM isn't based on that. Okay. Okay. We will get to this part. It made it later. First, let- let's modify M for this particular input. Right? Uh, let's search greater greater than let's search or equal to. Okay. Okay. If only is greater than HH, obviously we have to change or so if M we do not have H. Okay. Now only we are managing. So if M equal to AM, then M underscore equal to M. levels are equal to 7. So we got our desired output for this particular test case. Let's check this for other input for initial 0, 0. Okay, 59 hours. Fine. 12, 58, 12 hours, 0 minutes, 8 p.m. Fine. What is the file doing? PM over there. So at this case, see, that is where we have to multiply. So right, we have to do something with this part. Because that is this. With this PM, we just have 59 seconds. Obviously, we expect 12 AM, isn't it? But whereas we get 24, 58. So we have to reconvert that to, we converted for convenience, we converted it in 24 hour format, isn't it? But whereas our output should be in 12-hour format. So we want this, but not 12, I think 24. So except for previous input, because we want our code to work with that. Let's give a print over here. This 12, 58. For this case, is this if condition working? We will try and check. So this is not coming. But me, m underscore is our playing this one. That's not, that's the corner for error as it is not executed. So for instance, let's assign m underscore and one. So it will not throw error as a, that's it. So this is not funny. But we want this to get executed at this point also. Okay. Sorry for got something to do here. So you left somewhere here, isn't okay. So when it is greater than 24, it's getting reconverted to 12 format. So it will be 2. So converted to PM. Give 24 over there. So you expect to throw PM only. Okay, fine. Uh, what if just 0, 0? Let's check it. You expect it to throw. Okay, fine. So in this case, L spark 5% equal to, now let's check if it is same. Right? Our input, our HH, yes, yes. This is our input and this is our output. Both are same. Yeah, 24 to that. Let's check what if we add 48. 48. Okay, same. But if we add 25. So this is correct. 759, 59. 12, 51, 59. Also in PM format. What if we add 1, 2? Yes, converted to PM. Now let's check all those things with PMS input. Okay, that's when we do PMS input, that means in 24-hour format, input is 23. We are converting this to 24-hour format, isn't that right? Okay, 24 hours. Okay, in this case, then now 59, 59, we add one or two each. Obviously, our result will be uh, 12, 59, 59 AM, isn't it? But whereas we get 24, 59, 59 PM. This condition, this part is not getting executed. But let's say HH is obviously not greater than 12, so this part is getting executed. So then, when this phase is not getting executed, when this is getting executed, fine. But this 23 is less than 24 is that's why that part has not executed. This point, we have to do something else. That will convert it to 12 hour format, isn't it? H to scroll our format. H equal to H plus scroll. Like what's happening? Now we got our expected result. But still, the M part is not working because our input is like M is our input. Sorry, let's do this. Cut this, paste it over there so that we will get now get to know our exact input. Here, this part will show our intermediate. Then this is intermediate result. This is our actual input. Right. This is our first line is our actual input. Second one is our intermediate one, and third one is our output. So okay. After interval, we try to add 1 hour to it. That's the tutorial. But at the same time, we want to convert it to PM value. To head search, okay, try to convert that also to tutorial format. Now it will work. Yeah, it's working fine. So this is working. Okay, now let's try this with right? With an output. Let's make this as a definition as T and I is a no time of the variables are T I. Anything else? No. Return our output explicit format is one. Dot switch SS plus space plus outside to let's call it a different right. That timer. Let's do the same. Uh, Interval. This is T. Okay. T is Tn I equal to uh, 0 1. So numeral, oh, so has to be user. Let's convert that to Not just that, we do all these steps over here. This, this, this. Okay. To find the length of it, the function. Write that here. Regular viewers might know the logic of how we find the length. If you don't know, please watch all our previous live sessions. I have explained it there. Put equal to initializing a zero while doing an infinite loop over there. Then I try to catch, trying to access the value. Length is going to act both as a counter as well as a text value. So something present in that index is present and length will get increased. Because if it is showing an error, then that will be captured in this part. The loop will be broken and the length will be returned. So this is how we're going to find the length. It's fine tuning of HH equal to 1. Then we have to add a 0 because see, we just see only 1, but we need it in the format 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so that's what we are doing before. Then the same equal to 1 and then equal to 0 plus and what? Yes, 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 equal to now let's check out how for something is okay. We didn't put it there. Let's say 4, 4, 4, 4. No. Let's hide our understanding output terms. There some one. Okay. So now it's returning our result. What we expected as well. Okay. Till now we were checking between two sounds. Let's give 8 over here. Let's check 0. Okay. So 11:59:58 p.m. 11:59:59 p.m. Correct. Check for 00 or give 01. Give here 59. Let's check what happens. Oh, that's running. Okay. That's also. Those prints are just used to understand how the logic works. Okay. If you want, I'll upload all these code to give my GitHub repository and access this code from there. While you try to understand this code, if you still don't understand, you can give print wherever you want to explore how the logic works, and you can understand how this algorithm is working really. Okay. Make sure that you like this session. Share a few words about it to your friends and colleagues. If you have any test cases, you can just send that to me. I'll contact because right now we have too few test cases. Yeah, trying to it. Okay, I didn't execute the 11 What is 58? Correct. Yep. 12 1 to 12 59 01 and it's same. Oh, sorry, this is PM. So this is PM, isn't it? 58 minutes has got added with it. It's still AM. So we got another over here. When it is AM, when we add 58 minutes to this, we expect 12 59 59 AM, isn't it? But whereas we get 00. Hmm? The reason is here. This part would have got executed. This this oh sorry. Um, oh no, that is not the case. Let's move that current. Where is that putting? Well, okay, this part is getting executed. So this point, what is the HH? That is so 12 59 59. So we just need this to get executed only if it is greater than 12. Let's alter this logic a bit. It is greater than 12. Okay, let's check it. So now we get our expected output. Let's check this for same for other scenarios. So let's remove that print from there. So previously we had 11 59 59. Let's add this 58 minutes 1 second to this. So we get correct answer. What is AM for this? We got uh, correct answer. PM we got change. Let's add 24 hour to it. 00 so at 24 hours. So now we expect 11 59 59 to be printed, but here we got 23. Let's try our previous logic. 12 0 1 0 1 sorry 0 0 58 0 1 5. I think at this point this is getting 0. If it is 0, h equal to 0, then I think at this point we can do 12 over there. So that problem will be solved. Let's check. Still it is not solved. Oh, sorry. Let's print first, deal with it. Print 3, distance 3. In this part, we're not getting. So before that, it should be 24, isn't it? If so, so 47. So that's why it got in here. After this, got converted to 23. 23 is right. We have to convert it back to 12-hour format, isn't it? So after converting, if this is greater than 12, then we have to save it. Instead of elif, what if we put just this? I think it can be solved without further more long. Right. So I hope this logic will can work with the different input correctly. You can access this code. The task for you is you can check with different input and you can let me know if there is any error for different input. You can let me know. We will solve that in our upcoming session. Okay. So as of now, I hope this is working fine. 12 at 1:59 p.m. We add 55 minutes to it. Oh no, got converted to AM. That's not correct. That's not correct. It should just got uh, 55 minutes added to it. It will got PM it alone, isn't it? It should not have it should not got changed. So let's deal with it. So for this input it's fine. Right? Expecting 7, 9, 10. For this we expect 12, 57 PM, not AM, but we get We have got AM over here. The reason for that is, okay, let this be in ellipse part itself. We'll leave that there. Okay, even if that is dealt, then uh, this will get executed, isn't it? HH is greater than 12. Okay, now, then HH, it is 12. Let's remove this for this scenario will work properly. Let's check for another scenario. Okay, fine. The update that we did is we just removed our equal to from this question. Now the session is getting lengthier, so we will try to finish it now. We'll give a quarter of expected output. Try this with 60 times. Let's add 12 hours. Let's add this 12 hours to this. When we add 12 hours to 12:159 p.m., we expect one. Let's just look up. Let's just when we add 12 hours to this, we expect this to be AM. But whereas we get AM, PM, we expect AM. After 12 hours, it is going to be AM, isn't it? So when we remove is greater than equal to, then this is not set. We expect this to be AM. Let's print and see what's going wrong. Oh, sorry. Wait, wait. So here in the first two cases, the output is fine. Well, is this getting executed? This case is not getting executed. It is greater than 12. This, what about this one? Okay, So this 0 is getting executed. But get back to so remaining is 12. We got a time right, but this narrating part is not getting executed. I have to do something with this first, right? So that's what we are looking for. So that's why for a problem that cast in this specific area, we are dealing with because here involves this HH also. In some cases, uh, four is 24. So in this else part, this is not getting executed. We will convert that HH to 24 of 1, 24 of 1. But still, uh, there is an extended and HH over 12. Right? But not correct because it is 12. That's so for this scenario, okay. But for the second scenario, it didn't. So we will do this differently. For this part, it should not get changed. This part, this 0 part, for this, for this. So the problem is located now. This not equality is working for a particular scenario. This is working for another scenario. But for now, for this scenario, I've gone wrong. What can we do? It's also 12, 12. There's something with that part. So this also 12, 12. But we need to change. What if we put 1 over here in the same way? Starting in the same way. So 25 for all for all is 12 p.m. Solar format. Returning resultant solar format, whereas we need it in it's returning a certain 24-hour format, whereas we need it in 12-hour format, isn't it? So this zero got executed at the time. Okay, for the time being, we will finish the wind up the session right now. We will continue from this uh, in our next session. Okay, tomorrow we will continue this part. Are you sure? It's taking more time. We'll continue this tomorrow. Make sure to follow this live session, follow this problem. We will finish it tomorrow. So until then, bye bye.